Today, we revisit a shocking story that shattered a community, the case of James Schwalm, a former fire captain whose life took a dark and tragic turn. From family man and respected first responder to convicted murderer, Schwalm's story is one of betrayal, loss, and unraveling trust. So, where is he now? Let's find out. For much of his life, James Schwalm was seen as the kind of person you'd trust in an emergency. A fire captain in Brampton, Ontario, he held a leadership role in his profession and was respected in his community. He and his wife, Ashley Schwalm, lived what appeared to be an ordinary suburban life. But behind closed doors, a storm was gathering. Their marriage was rocky. Arguments became more frequent, tension grew, and what once seemed like a stable home was slowly becoming a controlled environment of mistrust. No one outside the home could imagine how deep this fracture would go until it was too late. On the morning of February 2023, Ashley was reported missing. Shortly after, a vehicle was discovered engulfed in flames with Ashley's charred remains inside. It was a scene meant to disguise murder as a tragic accident, but investigators saw through the facade. They found overwhelming evidence that James had strangled Ashley in a chilling act of domestic violence. He then placed her body in her vehicle, drove it to a remote location, and set it on fire, staging it as a crash. What stood out most was how meticulously the crime was staged. Everything suggested a deliberate attempt to cover up the truth. Within months, police arrested Schwalm. His fall was swift and dramatic. Once celebrated for bravery and leadership, he was now facing charges for the brutal killing of his wife. In 2024, James Schwalm pleaded guilty to second-degree murder. During the sentencing, the judge noted the horrifying betrayal not just of Ashley, but of Schwalm's role as someone entrusted to protect life. He received a life sentence, with no chance of parole for 20 years. The court also placed a no-contact order between Schwalm and his young children, until they are of age to decide for themselves. This case left many stunned. A man trained to save lives had used that skill set to take one away, and conceal the act with chilling precision. Where is he now? Today, James Schwalm is serving his sentence in a Canadian federal prison. He will not be eligible for parole until his early 60s. Prison records show that he has no disciplinary or public statements, and his life today is far from the uniformed authority figure he once was. His children are being raised away from him, and Ashley's family continues to mourn while advocating for domestic violence awareness, hoping no other family meets a similar fate. The story of James and Ashley Schwalm is a painful reminder of how hidden darkness can exist behind seemingly normal lives. Trust was broken, lives were destroyed, and now the man once admired is alone serving a sentence that reflects both the brutality of his actions and the grief of those left behind. Thanks for watching Vim Survivors. If you want more true stories of what happened next, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.